Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best futon mattress for home use you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. DHP 8-inch independently encased coil futon mattress. Key features of the DPH futon mattress: fits full-size frame, choose 6 or 8 thickness, comfortable, supportive foam, polyester mattress, tufted microfiber cover and selection of colors. Classic, chic look that fits any decor. The DHP futon is one of the best-selling futons for a good number of reasons. But as with any products, there are some drawbacks. The best part about this futon is the coils. It has both pocket coils and spring coils, which together provide balance and support to your spine. The coils work like those in the regular mattresses and react individually to any pressure applied. And that's the reason even people over 300 pounds can comfortably sleep on it every day and night. The futon will fit just about any full-size frame, and with a weight of 70 pounds, you can move it across your room with a little bit of effort. The material is mainly memory foam, so you can expect it to stay in shape longer. However, the plastic pieces within a futon can come off if you fold and unfold it often. Pros: thick enough to handle the heavyweight, comfortable microfiber cover that keeps the futon clean. The coils help distribute weight across the futon. Transforms into both bed and couch. Cons: too much handling can decrease the durability. Final verdict: the DHP is probably the best futon mattress for sleeping both on the floor and couch. The comfort that you will get from this futon at such a price is just unimaginable. Number 2. Milliard Trifold foam folding mattress and sofa bed. This elegant choice is a standalone design, so you can easily set it up as a low couch or open it for sleeping. It's made with 30% US certified non-toxic foam. Reviewers say the foam is comfortable and supportive. Yet the price on the Milliard Trifold is so low, even we were surprised. The low cost along with its great features makes this our top choice as a great value. Main features: folds or unfolds to be a low couch or 78 mattress. The inner mattress is 30% US certified. Machine washable cover. Cover is a breathable mesh in attractive dark blue. Bottom line: this versatile futon mattress unfolds to a comfortable 78. Then fold it into a couch for reading, watching TV or playing video games. It looks great in attractive navy blue to go with a variety of home color themes. We love the super low price, too. Reviewers say it's the perfect choice for home, travel or for college dorms. Number 3. Maxioyo Japanese floor mattress futon mattress. This is a thick futon mattress that can be rolled or folded using a bandage or stored in a duffel handbag. There is a dust-proof cover to protect the mattress from dirt, dust, spills, and stains. Maxioyo Japanese futon mattress is a traditional Japanese mattress. The cover is 100% cotton. The filling is memory foam in the middle with layers of cotton above and below. The mattress can be laid on the floor or a platform bed too. It is lightweight, thus it can be used at night, folded, and packed away during the day. The mattress is very light and can be picked up by kids too. The thickness of the mattress is 17 centimeters. The top and bottom layers are 6 centimeters of cotton and the middle layer is 5 centimeters thick, made of memory foam. The middle layer is made of high-density foam to prevent the collapse of the mattress in the middle. The construction offers better support to the person lying on the mattress, which is 10 centimeters thick. Maxioyo Japanese futon mattress is accompanied by a pair of bandages, a dust-proof cover and a carry bag. When you cover the mattress with the dust-proof cover, you don't have to worry about cleaning, stain removal, dust mite, etc. The straps will help keep the mattress folded in the closet. You can use the bandages as a grip while picking the bundle. If you want to store the mattress away, then place it in the carry bag with the handles. This will ensure it remains as good as new years after you have packed it away. Number 4. Mosaic full-size 10-inch cotton twill futon mattress. What an excellent combination of style and functionality. This mattress will serve you well as a bed or as a sofa, and the cover is tufted cotton twill. It looks well made and keeps the interior comfortable. The brand even manufactures different colors so you can match it to your existing decor without needing a cover or sheet. This is one of the few ones on our list that incorporates memory foam into the design. This adds comfort, making it a practical option for long-term use and the best memory foam futon mattress here. You can sleep on either side and you'll have a comfy night. This is one of the thicker ones on our list, so using this with a frame means you're less likely to feel the frame at night. Safety is also an important consideration, and this one carries a flammability standard 16 CFR 1633 rating. Note that it takes quite a while to expand fully after shipment, and the same may be required after being in storage for a while. If you're getting this one for guests, make sure you order well in advance, so it has days to return to full loft and for wrinkles to naturally disappear. Time is also needed for the chemical odor to disappear, but after all of that, you'll have joy using it. Maintenance is a slight concern as you can't remove the cover. Of course, adding a sheet or getting a cover is an easy fix. Pros: thick mattress, soft and comfortable, looks stylish. Cons: strong odor. Cover can't be removed for washing. Number 5. EMOOR 3-piece Japanese futon mattress. You're going to love this for the all-in-one sleeping solution the brand gives you. Not only do you get a comfy mattress, but the set includes a pillow and a comforter. It's a great starter kit if you're setting up a new home or moving to students' quarters. Of course, this is one of the more expensive options on this list, but you're getting a lot for the price. It's practical in other aspects too, as its weight is manageable for easy storage or moving it around the room and house. This is also one of our hygienic options, as you won't have problems with dust mites and bacteria. This is thanks to the brand's Tajin Mitre Top registered to eco-filling. Good news: this one won't require airing, as there's no odor that needs to disappear. You can use it as soon as it's unpacked and given time to expand fully. The brand succeeds in giving you comfort as well as support thanks to the 3-layer design, 2 soft layers with a firm polyester pad in between. That makes it an option even if you're concerned about your back. This one provides more comfort than you expect from such a thin item. Note that this item isn't washable, so we suggest you get a cover you can pop in the washing machine once in a while. Pros: portable, no odor, antibacterial, includes comforter and pillow. Cons: pricey set, not washable. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.